welcome back, guys. Well, we have finally made it. I got the sun in my eyes to camping. Here's the camper. But we got an issue. Got a big issue. But this big issue can be fixed. So, right here, it's a nice big drop off. And it's a big drop off. Get back. And that's the issue. Somebody, get back, is wanting to go down there. Oakley, no. So if I leave it the way it is, she is going to go down there. Come on. Let's go. So, the fix to this is wrap it around a couple more times so she can't go over there. Come on, get back here. She's too curious. We're gonna start getting some stuff set up. Go. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Ciao. We do have a nice little fire pit, so we are going to get that set up. I also have my other camera with me, and guess what I forgot? The tripod for it. Alright guys, well I'm not any good at setting up a fire, but we're going to give it a try. Oh yeah. Look at that. Cool. Let's go back in here for a minute. Alright. Alright guys, got my hot dogs ready. Go ahead and try not to burn myself because they don't give me a very, yeah, that thing's kind of hot. Oh yeah, I can feel the heat there, that's for darn sure. And there. Not quite so bad right here, but oh yep, I can feel it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Feel that heat on my hand. Hand's literally right there. Alright guys, well there's the hot dogs. I did find a better way to actually make them. I had to put my hand down below the heat. Yeah, I guess I had a dumb moment. Alright guys, well, see if I can get in here and sit down a little bit. I'm going to try these things out. Spicy ranch. With some, I don't know if they're cooked hot dogs. We'll find out. Yeah, they feel somewhat warm in the middle. No, you sit. Dude, what were you getting into out there? The dirt and everything? Your nose is all dirty. Oh, there's the mustard. Oh, yeah. A hot dog is not a hot dog without mustard. Yep, that's this stuff right there. I know, it's like really good, isn't it? No. I know you really want to try it. I know. You can't though. And then you put the ketchup on top of the mustard. And you just kind of just mix it all together. Makes it that much better. If I had some ranch with me, I'd probably put ranch in there too. Just to try it. That's pretty good. Hot dogs over a fire. Can't go wrong. We'll have to go check this out. It's actually not a lake that we're at, it's actually a river. When we get done eating, we'll go check that out. Should we go on a little adventure? Guess that's what they are. They're Chipoy's spicy ranch, and it says spicy. The spice is intermediate. Synthetic Mexican tortilla chips. I found these at Big Lots. Big Lots was went out of business here, and they were selling them cheap. And I seen them. I thought, give it a try. They're not too spicy. Yeah, they're not too spicy actually. They're not too bad. Wonder how they are with ketchup and mustard. There's a little more of a flavor to it. Go check out that river. Sun's going down. Alright, let's go for a wander. I got Oakley here. Yeah, we're literally right on the edge. Where if she fell down that, I honestly do not know where I would even go to try to even get her. I mean, you go down that, you're screwed. So we'll just try to keep her as close as we can. Look at this crack right here. Right here. Look at that. See that? Look at that. I'm afraid to do it too much. Look at that. Get back. Alright, I need to stop goofing off. Alright, let's walk. No. Wow. That's crazy. Here's another spot where you can camp. I thought about right here. This was my first place I thought about camping at. But the only reason why I didn't camp here is because I would be facing that, which this wouldn't be bad in the summer because I can drop the gate or the ramp on the camper. Oh, I can't talk today. So that's why I went with that instead. And I'm down to 39% on this battery, and I didn't bring another battery with because I thought I had a tripod, and the other one's charged fully, and this one was too. So let's just take a quick walk and not a slow one. But this is owned by the Army, I do believe. I could be wrong, or the National Guard, or somebody owns this property. They do trainings and stuff out here, but you can ride ATVs out here and all of that. So let's just go for Okay, so this here's a road. And we're going to bring the ATV out here so we can actually check it out. It looks like there's four-wheelers that go back in that. And there's not much really back there, it didn't look like. There's trails up here a little bit, so we'll go up here. And dirt bikes have been riding by here since we've been here. So, it's pretty cool, you know. We encourage that. We're riders. I don't have my heat turned on yet in the camper, but it is going to get down to like 32 degrees. Here we go. Here's a trail. This here's an ATV trail. And she is anxious to be out on the trails. She's having fun. So yeah, so that's the trails. We're not going to go back any farther. Let's go back. You guys get the gist of it. So anyways, guys, that's that. And we are going to head back to the camper, and I'm going to watch some TV. Try to relax, enjoy it out here. It's the whole purpose why I'm out here. And I figured, why not bring you guys along with? Well guys, just got changed into something a little more comfortable. And well, I'm going to have a bag of chips, I think, and probably call it a night. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode, and until next time, don't forget, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.